In this video, I will show you how to fill up form on PDF on mobile. So let's jump straight into it. So I'll be showing you how to do this today on iPhone, but you can also use this on Android. It does work on Android as well. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the App Store, or of course the Play Store if you're on Android. And what you want to do is search for Microsoft Office. So what you're going to want to do is download Microsoft 365, so that's this one here, and once you've downloaded that, just go ahead and open it up on your device. So at this point it might ask you to log in with your Microsoft account, but once you're logged in, you want to come down to the toolbar at the bottom and press the Create button. On this screen you want to go ahead and press onto PDF, and on the next screen you want to go ahead and press onto Importing Document. So what you want to do now is locate the PDF form that you want to fill up on your phone, so you can browse through your different files and find the one that you want to edit. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got this PDF loaded up on my phone. Now to go ahead and edit this and fill in the form, it's really easy to do. If you just press anywhere on the screen, you're going to get a toolbar come up at the bottom, and you can see we've got this edit button here. So if we actually press onto this, and then what you would do is come up to the top and press onto the text icon just up here, and then just simply add your text into the form, just like so. Now once you've completed your changes and you filled out the form, be sure to come up to the top left hand corner and press onto the tick button to apply your changes. And then what you can do is use the share button at the bottom to share this as a OneDrive link or an attachment, so you can send this to an email or something like that. And that is how you can go ahead and fill up a form on PDF on mobile. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.